What's that? It's a snack. A Kit Kat. It's a snack. Shawty bad. Now that's a fact. I like that. It's a snack. Hold up. It's a snack. Hold up. It's a snack. Hold up. I like.
Hey y'all, it's Kathryn and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am doing a what's on my iPhone, and this video was kind of requested for a while. I think I haven't done mine since last year actually, so I thought I would do one today. So I don't want to make this intro too long, so I'm just gonna tell you guys to subscribe if you're new, because we are kind of lit over here, so it will be here and linked down below. Also make sure that you follow me on all of my social medias. They will be here as well and linked down below. And please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Just for you guys to know, I still have the iPhone 7 rose gold. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna do a close-up for you guys anyway, but this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like and everything. It is cracked. I did crack it, but you know, life does go on. But anyway, let's just go ahead and do this thing. So when you first get into my phone, you will see lock screen, and this is just my lock screen. It's just like one of the regular Apple Store iPhone wallpapers, I guess, like that, and that's just my lock screen. So let's go ahead and get into my phone with my thumb here. Okay, so when you first get my phone, you see my wallpaper, and my wallpaper just looks like this, if you guys want to know what it looks like, and it's just a Snapchat photo. But on my home screen, I have calendar, photos, camera, maps, clocks, weather, news, notes, reminders, TV, app store, health, wallet, settings, and contacts. And then on my dock, which is one of my more important apps of all those, I have my phone app, Safari, messages, and then I have the Holy Bible app. And those are the apps that I use like more frequently, like with my second page. So on my second page, I have folders, and I have like some apps on the side. So in my first photo, I have my social apps, and my first social app that I have is Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram at goddesskathryn_. Yeah, and this is just my Instagram, and this is just my feed. So yeah, that's my Instagram. My next app is Snapchat. Again, you guys can add me. I'll give you time to scan my code right now. And Snapchat is Snapchat. So I guess you guys can see it's just Discover. I do not like the new update, but yeah, that's Snapchat. The next app that I have is Twitter. I really don't use Twitter that much at all. Like, you won't catch me on Twitter unless I'm doing like a quote and I'm in my feelings or whatever, really being serious. This is not even my Twitter that I really use, but it's goddess. Hold on, guys. This is my wrong Twitter. I'm trying to get it for you guys. But yeah, I really don't get on Twitter. It's going to be linked down below, but I really do not get on Twitter, to be honest. I just don't. Next app that I have is YouTube. Of course, all of you know what YouTube is because you're on it right now. So yeah, some of my favorite YouTubers that I subscribe to on YouTube. Let's just move on. Yeah, but YouTube is YouTube, so YouTube is YouTube. Then I have SoundCloud. This is where I get my music, and actually I do have some songs for you guys to listen to on SoundCloud that I sing. So if you guys would like to have more of me singing, then just hit me up on any of my social medias or comment down below. But this is my SoundCloud, and I just have some songs in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I have House Party, but that's kind of private, so I'm not going to show you guys that. And then I have Messenger and Facebook, but those are kind of private too. And then I have Dub Smash. Dub Smash is really not that private, so I guess I can show you guys But my dub smashes are like really bad. They're really bad. Like let's see this one. Yeah, my dub smashes are very bad. It won't even look. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's not look at dub smash. Okay. Then I have Musically. I really do not get on Musically anymore, so I don't really see no worth thing in me showing you guys that. FaceTime, and I also have Netflix. I love to watch Netflix on my phone. I'm waiting for the season 2 of Big Mouth to come out. Y'all need to watch Big Mouth. It is so funny. Yeah, so my camera's stopped again. But I have my last app on there is the Weather Channel. The Weather Channel influences my life because I like to know what the weather's gonna be like, so I don't walk out the house wearing shorts when it's 30 degrees outside. But today was pretty sunny, so I'm wearing shorts and a short sleeve top, and I'm kind of like feeling myself. But yeah, that's the Weather Channel app. So the next app that I have is not app, but folder is my photos folder. And what I have in my photos folder is all my apps that I use to edit my Instagram photos. If you guys would like how I edit my Instagram photos video kind of type, please comment down below and I will totally do one for you guys. But first app that I mostly use for my Instagram photos would have to be Visco. I use it for every app that every photo that I take, because it really gets good quality photos in for me. Like, these are some of my examples. They look so cute when I do it. This was one of my first photos that I ever did on Visco, and it just looks so cute to me. Like, ooh. Then I have Facetune too, and I use Facetune usually to blur the background, so you defocus it. That's what I was using on this app, and it really works well for the defocus. Like, I'll show you it makes the photo so professional, just like I would do on a Canon. Then I have Lamo TIF, and this is for my videos like I had on my Instagram, where I make those. Ooh, there's my bestie. Where I make those slideshow videos of like my photos and stuff. So that's Lamo TIF. Here's like an example. I think it won't play, but I think you guys kind of like get the picture. Here we go.
Shit was legendary through a TV out the window of the montage.
Motive. Then Flipagram is basically the same thing. You just I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. But yeah, that's Motive. And Poto is one of the apps that I use for my collage when I want to put in collages. And this is when I want like a profile photo that looks like this. Usually that's why I have Poto up there, but it does so much more, so I really recommend you downloading the app. Then I have Beatmoji, which is for my Snapchat. And then I have Shazam. It really shouldn't be in there, but it's in there. So yeah, and then I have layout, Instagram layout, and this is where I usually make the final choice for my Instagram photos with collages and stuff. And that's all that's in the Photos app. And this wasn't in the Photos app, but I also use Airbrush, but that is to do my highlight. You use the whiten feature, and it just does a lot. So yeah. Then I have Emoji. I really don't use it. You know what? I don't even know why I have this on my phone. Okay, photo and video. So here's my next folder. So my next folder is photo and video again. It's just like, I guess you could say, my business folder for YouTube and kind of stuff like that. So I have my Gmail, which is kind of private. Then I have my Schoology, which is where I have all my grades and stuff. I really don't think I want to show that, because then you guys will know where I go to school and stuff. Then I have Photomath. Photomath helps us a lot in my school, so yeah, we love to use Photomath. Photomath be helping us out. No, it doesn't if a teacher is watching. But The next app that I have is Subcount. We're currently at 881 subscribers, which is so huge to me because 3 months ago I was at 300 and something subscribers. Like, when I started school, I was at 200, and you guys have just delivered. You have subscribed, you have put out the word to my videos, and I just want to thank you guys so much. And we're so close to 1,000, so thank you guys. And yeah, I have sub counts. I don't check it every day because it stresses a YouTuber out. Just don't do it. And it's not about your subscribers. Don't get consumed in it. It's about your output that you're putting into people's lives. So yeah, then I have YouTube Studio. It tracks the a YouTuber's views and stuff, so I'm not really going to show that because that has all my money and stuff in it. Then I have Hype Type. I use this for when I announced that there's a new video for you guys, and you just, okay, you take a picture. Okay, so let's just take a picture right here, and then you click check, and then see, you can Hype Type it. So then you can put new video or whatever, and it works really good. So that's Hype Type. Then I have Makeup Plus. I use that for my photo editing as well, and those should be in my photo editing app. So I'm screen recording the rest of the way because my computer decided to be stupid. 3, 2, 1. So the next thing that I have in there is I have Pinterest, as I was trying to say MacBook. But I've been using it a lot to get my life back on track. But we have a lot of like stuff. I get it from my playlist. I get it from my skin. Places to shop. Like, it really helps. I'm trying to figure out my clothes and stuff for formal. This has really helped. So yeah, I really love Pinterest. Domino's I use because I get Domino's a lot during the weekend, so I like to have that. And then I have Spotify, which is my last app, and I use it just to play some songs in the morning. It's just the free version. There's if you guys want a lit playlist, then totally hit me up. I'll get on my grind and get you guys one. And then this is kind of like just dummy app, so I'm not really going to show you that. But yeah, that is everything on my phone. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed every second of it, and that you are that I made you guys happy. So that was weird, and I hope you guys have an amazing spring break. I know I'm enjoying mine. There might be a video next week, a vlog, but I know it's not gonna be a like really true video, so don't expect that next week. I'm taking time off, but I will be vlogging next week, so please stay tuned on my channel, and make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you follow me on all my social medias. They will be here linked down below. Make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and have the best spring break ever. Love you guys. Bye.
It's a snack, a Kit Kat. It's a snack, shawty bad. Now that's a fact. I like that. It's a snack. Hold up. It's a snack. Hold up. It's a snack. Hold up. I like that. Hold up. It's a snack. Hey, you looking like a snack though. On the dance floor, flaming hot like some Cheetos. Cool to read.